In this video, let's check out the solution to fix the Instagram video not playing error. So if you're facing this issue where none of the videos on your Instagram is loading or playing, let me show you a couple of fixes that you can try out. So firstly, what you can do is make sure that your internet connection is stable and it is working completely fine. Once you make sure that, the second thing that you can try out is try to see if the data saver is enabled. Head over to your profile section, tap on the three lines on the top right, and then from this section, if you scroll down, under your app and media, you'll see the section called data users and media quality. Right here, the option which says data saver, if this option is turned on for you, videos will not load in advance. As you can see, it says right here, when data saver is turned on, videos won't load in advance to help you use less data. So if you want that, you can just toggle this option on so that the videos do play in advance. Once this step is done and you're still facing the issue, the third thing that you can try out is try to clear the cache and then log out of your Instagram account. So what you can do is just head back, tap and hold the app of Instagram, head over to app info. From this section, tap on clear data and then tap on clear all data. What this will do is log you out of your Instagram and will also remove any sort of glitches which might be causing the issue. So by doing these couple of things, you should be able to now fix the Instagram video not playing error.